Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can get free shoes on StockX. So I have this cool app that allows me to do that, and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step using my own phone, just how the app works and how you can download and install it yourself in your own device, whether you have Android or iOS. Okay, so I'm going to be flipping my screen over, showing you guys using my phone. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright everyone, so I just wanted to show you the app with an example just so you can see how easy it works. So it's this app right here called StockX++. So once I click on it, so I had already searched up these shoes that I wanted just for an example. And basically this is the total amount. As you can see, it's more than $800. And over here it has the option to add your discount, and basically all you have to do is click on the activate discount button right here, and immediately my total price goes to $0 and I can purchase that. So basically, if you also want to be able to do that for yourself and have free shoes, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so first of all, if you are using an iOS device, we do need to make some adjustments to our settings. However, if you are an Android user, you don't need to worry about these steps. Okay, so only for iOS users, we're gonna go ahead and open up our settings app. And the first thing that we wanna do is go ahead and click battery. And here we just wanna make sure that if we do have low power mode turned on, make sure that you click the slider and turn it off. And make sure that you also have at least 10% battery in your device, okay? So that way your phone doesn't die or your device doesn't die in the middle of your download. So super important to keep that in mind. Okay, so now heading back to our settings, we're gonna click General, and we're gonna click Background App Refresh. And so here we just wanna make sure that we select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just make sure that it's not in off and that you're only running on your cellular data. That way you don't risk the chance of actually running out of data while you're downloading your app. So just either one of these two, whichever works best for you, select either one. All right, so now heading back to general settings, we're gonna go ahead and click about. And in about, we just wanna confirm that our iOS version is at least iOS 11 or above. So if you don't have at least iOS 11, I do recommend that you try to upgrade your iOS version before you actually try to download and install the app, since it will most likely not work for you, okay? So do bear that in mind. And if you have anything above iOS 11, you're good to go. So I'm 16.1 here, so good to go there. All right, so now we're gonna head back to our settings and we're gonna head down to Safari. So click Safari and then go all the way down to Advanced, click there. And super important step, make sure that you enable JavaScript if you don't have it enabled, okay? So JavaScript allows our web page to load properly so that we can download and install our app properly, okay? And don't have any issues with that, okay? So super important step, JavaScript is enabled, looking just like that, okay? All right, everyone, so that's basically it for our settings adjustments. And now we're all going to head to our web browser. So both Android and iOS, open up your web browser and we're just gonna type in the name of the web page where we can find our app, which is this one right here called vivahelper.com. So go ahead and click go, and then the web page is gonna load just like so. And then up here you have your search bar. So go ahead and click the search bar, and we're just gonna type in the name of the app, which is the StockX++. So once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. And then you're gonna get this pop up here. Just go ahead and click download now. And then we're just gonna give it a couple of seconds, like a minute, for it to finish downloading here. As you can see, it's pretty quick. And then once this downloads here, we can proceed with the rest of the tutorial. So once this downloads here, you're gonna get this pop-up. Just go ahead and click allow. And then it's gonna say profile downloaded. Keep that in mind and click close, and we can exit out of our web browser. And now we're gonna head to our settings and we're gonna look for that profile downloaded notification. So in my case, I'm using iPhone and it's usually at the very top. But wherever it may be in your device, once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. And then we're just gonna finish installing it into our device so that it's up and running along with the rest of our apps. So click install, and if you do have a passcode, just type in your own passcode. Then click next, install up here and down here. And then finally click done. So that's basically it once we exit out of our settings. As you can see, my app is here now with the rest of my apps in my home screen, up and running and ready to go. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That is how you can get free shoes on StockX. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you next time.